Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make your own fabric softener. All you're going to need is about a cup of vinegar. If you wanted to make it in a larger batch, you can go ahead and use 2 cups, 3 cups, however big of a batch you're really willing to make. I like to do mine 1 cup at a time. And then just a couple drops of your favorite essential oil. The essential oil is just to make it smell good, nothing else. The reason I like to do 1 cup at a time is because I actually like to have a couple different varieties of fabric softener smells on hand. I really like to have eucalyptus, especially in the winter months when colds are a thing. We all know that eucalyptus can help kind of open up the airways and things. It's just one of those things that helps make everybody feel better when we're sick. Maybe not actually help us heal, but just mentally makes us feel better, so I like to keep that on hand. The other one I really like to do is lavender. I really like to use the lavender essential oils for our linens. It just kind of helps everybody relax. The other one that I really like for linens is actually lavender and cedar wood. Some of my favorite ones. I get my essential oils from Walmart because they're cheap. So I've got my 1 cup of vinegar here. Today I am going to do just straight lavender. We're going to do a couple drops of this. The original recipe that I follow calls for 10. I like to do a little bit more because I'm extra. I just like my fabric softener to be pretty potent in smell. That's just a personal preference, but totally up to you. That's why I like making a lot of my own things, because I can do it exactly how I like. I'm just going to put the cap on here, give it a little stir. And there you go, you have some homemade fabric softener. The way vinegar actually softens is because the vinegar helps relax the fabric, kind of opens up all the membranes in the fabric. It's actually a really cool scientific thing that I had no idea about until I started learning how to make my own cleaners, but vinegar just really helps relax the fabrics. It can also help your towels retain moisture because it's relaxing all those fibers, allowing the fibers to be able to soak up everything again. Same with my reusable mop heads. I clean them in vinegar, just helps keep them going, all my washcloths, and it's just a really cool thing. So that's how I make homemade fabric softener. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in another video.